In this unit, I will explain an important feature of the course design and what it means for how you go about progressing through the course. I will also explain where to find handouts for each unit, how to complete assignments, how to ask your tutor a question, and how to join the Throughput Academy's members-only LinkedIn group. Think about how you would learn a new skill. Maybe you'd like to learn how to play golf, or go skiing, or maybe scuba diving, or another exciting activity in which you have yet to engage. How would you go about learning that new skill? If you were to learn how to play golf, which approach would you take? Would you find a golf club and start hitting balls? Would you book a lesson with a club professional? Would you sit and observe other people playing golf? Or would you prefer to buy a book on the theory of the golf swing and sit down and read it from end to end? Different people will answer this question differently. Some may prefer to just start whacking golf balls, whilst others may prefer to be guided by the club pro in a lesson. There is no right or wrong answer. The answers to the question simply reflect the personal preference of the individual providing the answer. David Kolb's experiential learning theory states that we all have our preferred learning style. However, for adult learning to be effective, we should try to complete a full learning cycle where experience is reflected upon, made sense of within a framework or theory, before experimenting with different activities or approaches. This course tries to help you as a participant complete multiple learning cycles. We encourage you to reflect upon your manufacturing process, make sense of it within the context of the theory of constraints, and then complete the assignments which are designed to encourage you to take action that helps you to understand how your manufacturing process works at a deeper level. I believe that this course will be more effective if you try to follow this process. It may mean that you feel uncomfortable at various points in the process, where the course places greater emphasis on one aspect of the cycle that isn't your preferred learning style. But please bear in mind that as the cycle continues, you will move through each of the major elements of this cycle, including your more preferred styles. Bearing the learning cycle in mind, and to maximize your learning on this course, we recommend you follow the following process. Firstly, you should read the introduction in each unit to orientate yourself, and then you should read the instructions in the What You Should Do section of Follow Them Closely. Next, we recommend that you physically print out any handouts that accompany the unit. I then recommend that you watch the course video through once, completely without stopping. Then return to the start of the video and watch it again, this time pausing the video and making notes on your handout whenever helpful. I then suggest that you read the unit notes carefully if there are any, then complete the unit assignment and submit your answers. Do not be afraid to ask questions, but I strongly recommend that you check first for a frequently asked questions unit in the particular module that you are studying. More about this in a slide below. Handouts for each unit can be found in the units that introduce a new module. All of these units are numbered MX01, where X is a number from 1 to 5. If you scroll down one of these pages, you will find a section called Handouts and links to handouts for each of the units within that module. Simply click the link and your browser should automatically download a PDF file for each unit in the module. As above, I strongly recommend that you print a physical copy for use as you watch the content for each of the units. As I mentioned in the previous unit, none of the assignments in this course is mandatory. However, I strongly recommend that you attempt each assignment. The assignments are designed to help you improve your understanding of the SDBR approach and to help you understand your own manufacturing environment and how it works in more detail. Each assignment has clear instructions for you to follow, and you should feel free to submit your answers. If appropriate and helpful, I will provide feedback or guidance, but this depends entirely on the assignment. You are, of course, welcome to send me a question at any point in time. I want you to enjoy this course and get as much from it as you possibly can. How do I ask a question, I hear you ask? First of all, it's a good idea to check if there is a frequently asked questions unit in the module you are working through. If so, you may find an answer to your question there. If there is no FAQs or it does not contain your question, please feel free to email me at info@drayton.com and I will be happy to help. I've also created a LinkedIn group specifically for members of the Throughput Academy. Everyone who is enrolled on a course is entitled to join, and I hope that this can be a valuable resource for participants. I hope that the opportunity to meet other participants and experts in the theory of constraints online provides you with some additional benefit and even enjoyment. Please bear in mind, though, that the group is strictly for members of the Throughput Academy only, and if you follow the link in the unit notes below, your browser should take you to the group. Simply apply to join and you will be notified upon acceptance.